Not the Jamaica that you left 10 or 20 years ago. It is not the JCF that you left 10 or 20 years ago. You will either meet a judge or your maker.
When you hear that, my viewers, bro God have a public service announcement to all of the deportee them. We feel like so now go get deport from America and come back, boy, you come mash up the country worse than how it mash up already. A dead house, or jail house. So no welcome to my channel. And welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you no not subscribe yet. So here we are going to them people. Police a walk around boy and a clean up the 14 parish. And a dash we be a gunman. Plus, me go show no the big Yaad gang. The man them we claim to say a them a run Kencot and Danesha neighbor murder a St.Thomas. So before me jump in at the reasoning, I'm gonna know what I go on. Pre this.
But let me be clear that for those Jamaicans who intend to come back with crime and violence to undermine what we have been building here, let me be clear to you that this is not the Jamaica that you left 10 or 20 years ago. It is not the JCF that you left 10 or 20 years ago. You will either meet a judge or your maker if you come back to Jamaica and violate our laws and create havoc.
When you hear that, my viewers, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Anju, has sent out a public service announcement to all of the deported them who are left from in America and come back to Jamaica. He must say, them better humble themselves when them come back down here. Cause if them no humble themselves, a dead house or jail house settings. And you see where Anju no know, most of them deport here. Them no care about that. Cause you see that talk the way you just make, it just run through them ears and gone through the next ears. You have to remember, say them man here, I left from a first world country and I come back in a third world country. Most of them did I make thousands of dollars a week, and now them come back in a third world country where them Dave now go make 5 bills in a 2 day. So how you think enough of them are go feel? Most of them are graper. Most of them are thief. Most of them used to sell drugs. Most of them are murder people. Me couldn't see most of them are combat boy. So what do you think? When you think the deported them are go combat boy and go look 9 to 5 work and come help build up back Jamaica? The man them no depend that. As them reach boy, them a try find a way for rob down the place, for make up back our money, for dig off and left the place again. So Anju, God go with you. You see me? Cause the deported them, they've not look upon you. So my people, wanna walk with me now. See them here? This is the big Yaad gang. The man them we say them a run Kencot. Where man come in at the place, come murder Browning in our bar. And them no see who do it, and them no know who do it. You see the ghetto will always be the ghetto. And that's why bad Indian dig off and run well left no for uno. Cause him know say no for uno corruption. Hey, you see badness in a ghetto, gone to the dogs, That's why when I see enough youth a run up and down, and make man a program them, I talk about for wall off place and fight war, You don't ever understand this thing, youth. You own a friend will stand up beside you, they even like you. You own a friend will stand up beside you, a plan for set up your life and you don't even know. So see them, my people, Craigie, Bad Indian, and the whole crew, we say a them a run Kencot, man coming at the place come murder Browning, and them a play like them no know what go on. I use style, for them make it go on. So my people, wanna walk with me and remember Danesha, that girl you wanna see on the screen? Couple days ago, me do a review about that girl here. The police them find her half naked, dead in a bush at St. Thomas, and everybody ask the question, who do this to her? Was it a boyfriend or a ex? My people, program running, and wine at the dark, coming at the light, where you say the nearby, police them in the community, I do them investigation, and I search the place for clues, and them go in at the neighbor yard and find Danesha slippers, and I ask him where the slippers you are doing a film yard. Right now, me I hear say the boy is in custody. So see it here, my people. Me always know them situation here how it a go, you know. Say I never no stranger, you know. I wanna think. A man from Canada go come where Jamaica come do this to Danesha. Always people wanna know. Arm you know. And you see the ghetto, them have that little see and blind here and deaf thing there. But the only reason why most people say in a ghetto is because them not have nowhere to run go to. You see, if you did give them a house and give them option, them sell out most of them boy a long time and take back them ghetto already. But through them not have nowhere to go. Them just have to go and see and blind, hear and deaf until them find somewhere to go. Them take away themselves. So hear it here, my people. Yes, the neighbor, Dirt Danesha, him in custody right now. Some of viewers who walk with me right now. We are going to Portmore, where we see JCF clean up the place. I slap with the whole of the gunman them. Latest gunman for make it on the dead list. A brother by the name of Kevin Johnson, aka Big Joe. Police them say as them enter Walker's Avenue, them say Big Joe with matic pan hip. And them never wait for him start fire it first. Them start wire him, fling 9 ball in him head and in him chest. Left him flat on the ground. So see it ya. This is it boy ya, you know. The youth them, you know. Kevin Blake now ramp with no man, you know. And from you start push up your head. Talk about ya run place and a run down dance ship and power. You go get it, brother. Remember that. So hear it ya. Latest victim for drop on film face in a Gregory Park. A Kevin Johnson, aka Big Joe, with the farm gang and a run down dance ship. See they know. Another dead gunman gone round a Paris door. So my people know what na do boy ya. You hear that? Protect on the 3 points. Low out the corner settings. Leave the liquor bar settings them alone. Cause most of the youth them in the community are hypocrite them. Them no care about enough for uno. Them only care about themselves. That's why when you see them dig off and run away when war start and left uno for dead in the place. Some of viewers, until next time again. You see me?